Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a square symbol in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Now I am insert the symbol into text box. Then draw a text box. Otherwise, you can insert the symbol anywhere. Now I am go to the insert menu. Select the equation option, then select the script option and choose the superscript option, then write X, then select the second box and write 2, then select the whole text, then click the home menu and increase the size. Now we can see we add square symbol in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.